If we want to ask a person from where, we'll ask him מאיפה, מאיפה. If we want to ask the question from whom, we'll ask the question ממי, ממי. So the preposition that will answer the question from will be the me preposition. For example, from Yossi. Mi Yossi. Mi Yossi. From Michal. Mi Michal. Mi Michal. From Avi. Me Avi. Me Avi. From Sivan. Mi Sivan. Mi Sivan. From Dad. Me Abba. Me Abba. From Mom. Mi Ima. Mi Ima. Excellent. Having that in mind, before we get to the exercise, let's work with our otzar milim, our vocabulary. Let's learn a few words, a few expressions before we get to the next part, which is the exercise. A gift. A gift in Hebrew is a feminine noun. Matana. Matana. A message. Hoda'a. Hoda'a. A package, and this is a masculine noun. Mishloach. Mishloach. So now if we want to make the gift definite, we'll put the article before the word matana and make it hamatana. Hamatana. The message. Haoda. Haoda. The package. Hamishloach. Hamishloach. If we want to make it that gift, we're pointing at it with our finger, so we remember the gift is hamatana, and to hamatana we'll need to add hazot. Hamatana hazot. We're going to learn the article in another section, but for now, let's just stick with that expression. That gift is hamatana hazot. Hamatana hazot. That message, so remember that the message is haoda, and if that message we're pointing at it with the finger, it will be haoda hazot. Haoda hazot. That package, so remember that package is hamishloach. That package will become hamishloach hazeh. So instead of saying hazot, because this is a masculine noun, therefore zot becomes ze, hamishloach hazeh. Hamishloach hazeh. Hamatana hazot, haoda'a hazot, hamishloach hazeh. Excellent, guys. So I hope you wrote all of those words and all of those expressions in your notebook, because we're going to need them for the exercise in the next lecture. So that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.